Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll talk about certificates in DirectAdmin. Once logged in, scroll to the Account Manager section and click on SSL Certificates. While here, you can get an automated certificate from your provider. You can also paste here your key if you have already purchased this certificate from elsewhere. If you are requesting this certificate from another provider to your hosting account, you can also use this option or click on the Best Match tab. If you select the Best Match tab, you will always get assigned the certificate that comes with the server. Alternatively, you can get a self-signed certificate. Now, to get an automatic certificate, click on this tab and choose the domain name or the subdomain that you wish to cover. If you want to do a wildcard, just check this box and you are good to go. Once you are satisfied that you have provided what to be covered, just click Save, and that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.